This is how to show a field as both count and percentage in a pivot table in Excel. So I have this pivot table here, which is showing a breakdown of some of this call center data with tickets and what was the issue type for each individual ticket. And I like to see the percentage as well as the count for each individual issue type. So what we need to do if I want to do that is to go to the field list. And then if I already added the count of ticket ID in here, I just need to take the ticket ID field and drag it again to the value section. If this is a number type field, will be automatically added a sum, but I will select it, go to value field settings. From over here, select count, and from over here, from show values as, you have the option to select show values as no calculation. This is the default, but also additionally, we have a bunch of percentage options over here. We can, for the sake of this example, I'm going to select the simplest one, which is percentage of grand total. I'm going to hit OK. And just like that, we've duplicated the ticket ID field. And now it shows the count and the percentage of the issue type in the grand total. So this is how to do it. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.